In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to insert Roman numerals and English number or Arabic number in Microsoft Word documents. In this document is a thesis. In a situation where you want the preliminary pages to be in Roman numeral, the page numbering to be in Roman numeral, while the body of the work to be in English number or Arabic number. How do you do that? So to do that is quite simple. Come to the body of the work like this. Place your cursor at the start of the body of the work. Then come to page layout. Come to breaks. Click on the breaks and you see under section break, click on next page. So when you click on next page, then come down to the bottom of that first page of the body of the work. Double click here, then you see link to previous. Click on it. Then come to insert and come to page number. So select the style of your page numbering. In this case, I want it at the bottom of the page and I want it to be at the center here. So click on it, then come back to the page insert, come to page number and come to format. Then let it start from 1 and then click on OK. So you can see it started from 1. Then if you check it, you can see that the body of the work start from 1, 2, 3 and so forth. Then for the preliminary pages which we want to be in Roman numeral, so go back to the top of the page, the preliminary pages, then double click at the bottom here, come to insert and come to page number here, and we want it to be at the bottom, also at the center. Click on it, then go back to that very insert, go back to page number and format it, format page numbers. Then in this case, choose the Roman numerals, then click on it and we want it to start from 1, then click on OK. So you can see that the preliminary pages start from Roman numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, while the body of the work start from Arabic number or English number 1, 2, 3 and so forth. So in essence, this is how to insert both Roman numeral and Arabic number in the same document or your thesis. Thank you for watching.